Good morning, good afternoon, hello. What we're going to be looking at today is converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. Now, an improper fraction is where the top number, or the numerator, is larger than the bottom number, or the denominator. So as we can see here, our 17 is larger than the 5, so the numerator is larger than the denominator. It's an improper fraction. Okay, so to convert it to a mixed number, first of all we find out how many 5s go into 17. So 5s into 17 go 3 times, because 3 5s are 15. So we write a big 3 here to represent that. So 3 5s are 15, we're on 3. We've got to make it up to 17 though. So that gives us a remainder of 2, which we write as our numerator here. So it's 3 whole ones, which make up the 15, add the 2. Finally, we've got to decide what the denominator is. Well, the denominator in our mixed number is always going to be the same as that denominator in the improper fraction. So we can just write the 5 in here straight away. So 17 fifths as an improper fraction we can display as a mixed number as being 3 whole ones and 2 fifths, or 3 and 2 fifths. Okay, let's try another one. We've got 41 ninths here. So first thing, we could actually say, oh, I know straight away that in my mixed number, the denominator of the fraction part of it is going to be 9, always going to be the same thing. So let's have a look first of all. How many 9s go into 41? 1, 9, 9, 18, 27, 36. So 4 9s. If I went a little bit further, I go 45. That's no good because that's bigger than 41. So 4 9s make 36, and that takes us underneath the 41, sorry. What have we got left over? What do we need to get from 36 to 41? We need another 5, don't we? So it's going to be 4 and 5 ninths, because 5 is the remainder. So 41 ninths we would display as 4 and 5 ninths. 4 whole ones with another 5 ninths. Okay, what about if we wanted to go backwards? Now, we've got to do this in 2 stages. I put in here, here's the denominator of our mixed number. Now, remember, we're eventually going to get to an improper fraction, so remember that denominator is always the same all the way through. So remember that as a starting point. The first thing we're going to do, or our first stage, is we're going to multiply our whole number, this 2 here, by the denominator. So 2 4s give us 8, because we've got two whole ones, each in quarters gives us the 8. The second bit we do is we add on the numerator of the fraction within the mixed number. So we do 8 plus 3 there. So we've got the 8 from multiplying the 2 and the 4 together, the whole 2 with the denominator 4, and then we add the numerator 3 on. So 8 plus 3, and then finally we just write 11 there, which is 8 plus 3. So converting it backwards, our mixed number of 2 3/4 becomes 11 quarters. Do another one. So first stage, 5 whole ones times by the sevenths gives us 35 sevenths in total. 5 7s are 35. Next stage, we've got to add on the remainder of 2. And then finally, to get our answer, we do the 35 and the 2 in our answer to give us 37. So 5 and 2 sevenths as a mixed number is exactly the same as 37 sevenths as an improper fraction. So there we have it, converting improper fractions into mixed numbers and showing you how to go back again.